Hi friends, welcome to day 61 daily current affairs. Today first news is 25 lakh sign up for COVID jab on day 1 expanded rollout. This registration is only through COVID portal set by the government. 25 lakh potential beneficiaries had registered on the COVID portal on Monday, the first day of the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination covering those over 60 and people with specified comorbidities over the age of 45, the Union Ministry said. Out of these, 24.5 lakh are citizens and rest are healthcare workers and frontline workers. About 6.44 lakh appointments were booked today by the citizen beneficiaries. The ministry said it added that a total of 147,285,669 vaccine doses had been given so far as per the provisional report till 7 p.m. on Monday, and these include 66,95,665 healthcare workers who have taken the first dose and 25,57,837 healthcare workers who have taken the second dose. Modi takes first dose of Covaxin at AIIMS. Prime Minister Narendra Modi early on Monday took the first shot of Covaxin, the Indian research and produced anti-COVID-19 vaccine manufactured by Bharat Biotech at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in New Delhi. Tweeting a picture of himself getting a shot, Mr. Modi said, "Took my first dose of COVID-19 vaccine at AIIMS. Remarkable how our doctors and scientists have worked in quick time to strengthen the global fight against COVID-19. I appeal to all those who are eligible to take the vaccine. Together, let us make India COVID-19 free." US trade report flags issues from Make in India policy. The US tried to resolve long-standing market access impediments affecting US exporters during 2020 with India, says the 2021 President's Trade Agenda and 2020 Annual Report, an annual report submitted by the US Trade Representative to Congress calling India's policies trade restrictive and saying the Make in India campaign epitomizes the challenges to the trade relationship. While India's large market economic growth and progress toward development make it an essential market for many US exporters, a general and consistent trend of trade restrictive policies have inhibited the potential of the bilateral trade relationship. Food processing revolution needed. The time has come in to increase the private sector participation in all areas of agriculture, research and development as well as the food processing sector, according to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Addressing a webinar on Monday on budget announcement for the farm sector, he said a food processing revolution was now overdue for several decades. Next, US to keep hardline on China trade. Documents talks about using all tools available to counter coercive practices. The Biden administration trade agenda will make pandemic recovery a top priority and focus on the American worker, according to the 2021 President's Trade Agenda and 2020 Annual Report, an annual document submitted by the US Trade Representative to Congress. The administration will push for labor standards in its trade agreements, negotiate environmental standards, and addresses China's coercive and unfair trade practices, the document said. Today's last news is Maruti Tata Motors post double-digit growth. Leading car makers Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai and Tata Motors reported robust sales growth in the domestic market in February as the demand for personal mobility amid the COVID-19 pandemic continued to drive the market. The country's largest market, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, said domestic sales increased 11.8% to 1,52,983 units last month from 1,36,849 units in February 2020. Thanks for watching today's Daily News and Current Affairs. We'll meet again in tomorrow's Daily News and Current Affairs. Please comment, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.